aspirants, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing good. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, that is Dr. Duet. And after so long time, I'm making this video about the motivation for NEET aspirants because it's almost the end of 2025 and only 30 days are left for the end of this year. And I think most of the NEET aspirants must be demotivated enough because most of them would have wasted the whole year, and they would have gone into depression or kind of thing where they usually waste days thinking that the whole year is wasted. Will I be able to crack NEET, and what would be my strategy for the next year, and all these sort of things. So in this video I'll be clarifying this with you all. So first of all, I would like to say that if your year 2025 has not gone pretty well and you think that it's wasted, please don't feel bad about it, because it is actually at this point that gives you the motivation to study, because every champion starts at this point, because this is one of the lowest point, and this lowest point, trust me, it is not the end of the life, but it is at this phase that fighters emerge. And this is actually one of your motivation that will motivate you to study each and every day, thinking that your goal and aim is more important than what happened actually in the past. And trust me, in the NEET preparation journey, no one would have used all the days for their preparation effectively, that is 100%. In each and every person's life, even in a person who has got AIR, one would have felt low sometimes, would have got demotivated, would have wasted so many days thinking about what to do and what not to do. And trust me, you are not alone, you are not the one who is feeling this. And trust me, if you are determined enough, if your heart is determined, and if a goal is fixed in your heart, by hook or crook you will find some means to sit and study, no matter what, like no matter how much demotivated you are, how much you have completed, nothing matters. Once your goal is set, you have strong determination to achieve your success. Nothing can stop you from achieving this. And trust, so there is no need for you to cry now. There is no need for you to feel regret about wasting your year. But instead, get up, breathe, just start reading, because this is not the time to waste, but this is actually the time where you have to motivate yourself. Just think that you are gonna achieve what you have planned, and it is you who is responsible for your own life, for your own future, how your future is gonna be, and how people are gonna treat you. Because trust me, in this world which is competitive, your hard work, your determination, your consistency matters more than what is actually your past. So please be motivated enough, don't lose hope. Each and every day counts. Sit and solve MCQs daily, don't lose hope, and keep on revising chapters. And please enter the new year as a fighter and not as a regretter who has wasted time. And in these 30 days, please keep on revising the old chapters, and please read the new chapters which you have not at all touched, and keep on revising the chapters you completed in a week. And please keep on giving a lot of mock tests. Try to solve MCQs each and every day, and please change your mindset from the mind which has been lost to the mind which is focused. So by doing this, you are gonna gain momentum, and trust me, if you have gained momentum, it would be easier, and you would be much forward than others, and you will be going much superior and forward compared to others. And trust me, others mindset would be like they would start studying from January, but you would have started much earlier than them, and you would be in a momentum. So January would become easier for you. February would be much stronger if you continue doing the same thing without losing hope and working hard. After that, March would be your productive month. Your April would be your revision month, and obviously if you do this, then May would be your victory. And trust me, this would not be as simple as I told you now. It takes a lot of sacrifices, hard work, consistency, never give up when times are hard, and all this together, if you do, it would be a victory for you at the end of this NEET preparation. And trust me, your future is gonna thank you for what you are gonna do today. And trust me, if you are determined, your mind's goal is set, nothing can stop you. Please take into consideration that the NEET journey is not gonna be like the rose walk or kind of thing as simple as that. You are gonna face obstacles are gonna come in your life, and if you are determined, you are that you are not giving up, nobody can stop you from achieving what you want. But if you lose hope, nobody can stop you from letting you fail. So please take this video as a motivation, and if you think this video would have motivated you, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And please let me know what in all the videos that you want as motivation from my side, because I would be happier to make this